Alright guys, yeah, like in the previous video I did yesterday, I never thought I'd be making a video like that. So here is the second part for the tutorial for our steam train. So yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna watch that video after we do that. So, go here in Minecraft. Yeah, let's just get in. So, what a beautiful day. So, this is the steam locomotive we were about to build, and yeah, let's get on to create the platform for the train. So first we got, what about we just add the cow catcher for today? We'll just need some take out some netherbrick stairs, go like that, break a wheel and from one block in front of the train like that. And yeah, take it like that. And then I'm being so loud because I just want to ignore the noise of the blender. Yeah. So yeah, after we do that, let's take out some stone brick slab. Actually, no, we're not. But we're gonna take out some smooth stone here. We're gonna add one block above the rail, right behind this block. And yeah, then we'll take out some polished andesite stairs. We're gonna take out some smooth stone. And yeah, we're gonna do the boiler now. And yeah, this is the door for the boiler. But we need something else. We need the lamp here. So what you need to do is just take out our redstone lamp, put it right, bam, tickle in the, we got the boiler here, and put it like that. Yeah, so please do this in 1.14 or 15 or 16. Then to light it, we're gonna take out a redstone torch, and just like that, our redstone lamp is I thought I was gonna light. We need to do something. Okay, so I'm assuming the redstone torch doesn't work, so we're gonna add a redstone block here. That's exactly what I wanted. Then we're gonna work on the back, very back. Yeah, we're gonna do the back part of this locomotive. Yeah, we're gonna do the back part, so why not we just put some, take out some gray concrete. Then we'll just put like a T all around the redstone block. Yeah, some gray concrete. Then we'll put our netherbrick stairs. And this should be 30 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. And so is the what we have the boiler so far. And then I'm gonna take here, go like that, just like on the top, and there. Now we're gonna make a little chimney for this long, big steam locomotive. So it's just like a norm. So we'll just get, and I don't mean norm, I mean a normal big steam locomotive. It's just another brick stairs. No, I mean vent. No, I mean it's yeah, it's kind of red nether brick slab. That's what we want. And then we're gonna take out our to make it look like a real steam locomotive. We should add some black to it. And yeah, black. So I already did like the smoke place. So what about we just add the, and this is gonna be extending towards the third wheel. I mean, yeah, second wheel. And this is a part of the boiler. Part of like that. And then take this, and then we extend this to the second wheel, just because we're gonna add the cab. So yeah, it's the cab. So we'll just extend this boiler part right here. And yeah, before we do the cab, we're gonna leave that for our third tutorial. But before we do our third one, we're gonna add some handrails. So first we gotta take some iron bars and then just extend it. Put from at the start of the green concrete and then all the way from the back of the boiler. Same thing on the other side. You know, most steam locomotives had handrails, but in fact you cannot have you might not have these things in here. And there. That's how you create the other boiler part, the whole boiler part. But you can also add the dome. I want to add 2 domes, and then I'm gonna take that here. There's our 2 domes here. And now we need the whistle for today. We'll need a birch fence, and then put it right at the back of the boiler, right there in the middle. So, goodbye everyone. I'll see you in another video. Bye!